if you are still doing daily contribution, where you get to keep your money in the hands of people for a month, and after that you collect your money, or you are keeping your money in commercial banks where they either deduct one money for maintenance charge or they deduct your money for one charge. Like they will definitely have a charge that they want to remove. Like if you keep 50,000 naira for instance in your commercial banks, I'm very sure, like I can trust me, your money cannot be 50,000 naira again by the end of the month, because by then there would have been a lot of deduction. Okay, so if you are in those two categories, or you're still like saving in the hands of your friend, which is not secure, come closer, we have a discussion. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually save your money in dollars. And one good thing about saving your money in dollars is that dollar can decide to rise tomorrow, which means that you're getting about 50% addition of what you actually save, like your initial savings. Do you get? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, I would say thank you for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, know that I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always tuning in and watching my videos. That means a lot to me. I am super grateful. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. So you guys, as you all know, in this channel, what I do basically is that I teach people how to make money, and I teach people about hacks, tricks and tips that has worked for me personally. I come here and I show you how it has actually worked for me and how it can work for you as well. So that's what I basically do. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can actually save on Bybit. Yes, you can save your money on Bybit, and the good thing is you can actually withdraw your money anytime. This is not like, it's not like crypto trading. You're not trading your money, you are just like saving up. Like you're saving your money. It's not even staking now. I won't call it staking. It's just like saving. So that way you get to earn the money. Like every day you get to earn something, on your savings. So instead of, and that's what commercial banks will never do for you. They won't even hurt your money. Instead, they will deduct. But on this platform, you can actually trade. Like you can actually save your money. Like there will be an additional income on your money. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through the process step by step, and it's not even difficult. It's not like because some of you, if you hear Bybit like this, you just run away, be like, hey, that's a cryptocurrency application. No. I don't want to have anything to do with cryptocurrency. Don't worry, you're safe. Okay, because I'm going to be sharing my screen and I'll be walking you through the process step by step, like everything you need to know on how to go about it. And it's so seamless. Like the process is seamless. It's not stressful at all, and it's not even complicated like you all assume cryptocurrency to be. There's so many features on Bybit that you can actually use to make money on Bybit. So this feature I'm going to be sharing with you today is one of it. All right, so without any further ado, let's quickly dive straight into the video. So you guys, the first thing you want to do is to head over to my Bybit, Bybit. So if you have not registered, there's a video actually that I made earlier on how you can actually sign up on Bybit as a first-time user if you don't have an account. So go to that video. I will leave the link to that video in this description. So you want to go ahead and watch that video so that you can know the process of signing up on Bybit. All right, and if you already have an account, you just want to log into your Bybit account, right? And again, another thing is, if you don't have USDT coin, what you want to do is to come over here. I also made a video on how you can actually buy and sell USDT crypto coins on Bybit, so you can actually check that video as well. I'll also be leaving the link to that video in the description below, so if you want to try and check that out as well. So the next thing you want to do is to, after all that said and done, so the next thing you want to do is to just head over to your Bybit and come. So the next thing you want to do is to go to Earn. This particular is to go to Earn right here, right? Click on that, click on Earn, then you come over to this place again, Bybit Savings, right? So you have to click on that as well. Click on that. Then you go over to flexible. Flexible is different from fixed. Fixed is if you want to like leave it for a particular period of time, but flexible, let's say you just want to put it there, you might need the money anytime and you don't want to, so you just come to flexible. Okay, so you want to select the coin we have money in USDT, this particular one. This is the one we're going for. So you'll be clicking this particular arrow here. So you go ahead and click that. Let me go back and show you guys. So you have to come to this USDT savings. Click on this arrow here As you can see, it's telling me to buy more. Okay, so let's say 40 USDT now. USDT. Okay, so I'm going to click on more. As I want to save, 40. I want to save 40 USDT. All right, so I tapped in 40, and this is how it works. If you are saving above, if you are saving less than 200 USDT, you'll be getting 8.67% of your income. That's like the estimated monthly income that you'll be getting. 8.67, percent of your income. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to save, let's say above 200 below 200 USDT, you'll be getting 3.67%. So in our own case, we are getting 3.67% of our income. Okay, so that's that about that. So you just want to go ahead, you want to scroll down, and the next thing you want to do is to click on this particular application. So just scroll down and you're going to see this. Yes, actually, if you don't want to click on auto savings, so you just leave this auto savings. Yeah, like if you want it to be deducting your money each time you actually put something there, like each time you have a USDT in your wallet, it automatically deduct it. So you can actually turn on this one, because I don't want that. So in my case, 40 USDT. Yeah, and this is what I get daily, 0.0232 USDT. Okay, every day you actually trade, you're gonna get this particular amount. All right, so let's go ahead, and so I don't want it to be in auto savings because I don't want them to deduct my money each time I have a coin. Okay, so, and this is it. So your time will start like few minutes after, after you stake, like after you save up. All right, and that's it. So you just come here and click on I have read and agreed to Bybit terms of service and all that, and that's it. So you just want to go ahead and click on stake now. All right, so successfully staked. All right, so this is it. We have our money currently staked. Let's now say for some reasons personal to you don't feel like staking anymore. You want to remove your money, you don't feel like staking, or you don't feel like saving again. You just come here on stake, you just go ahead and click on stake, then you go ahead and click on the amount. If it is everything that you have staked that you want to remove, you just go ahead and click on this amount, right, and just put the amount you want to stake. Let's say we want to, the 40 USDT that we stake, let's say we want to unstake it, we want to remove our money. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on funding, make sure that your account is in funding so that you can easily trade it back. All right, so, and we click on unstake confirm, so you can see that we will unstake our money. You can see unstake successfully, as you can see. So our money is back to, this money now is back to our funding account. So if you come over here, you can see that there have been a reduction. Okay, all right, so you guys, that's just it. And if you want to trade your money back to your normal currency, Naira or whichever currency you're spending, just come over here again, P2P trading, and you go ahead and just like the process you used to buy, you just filter it out, the bank and all of that, then you click on confirm, then you just go ahead and click on the amount. Sorry, you come here and sell. Now we want to sell, we don't want to buy, because we already have our crypto in our wallet. So you just click on sell, then go ahead and click on all payment method, choose the payment method that you want to use to receive the money. Okay, so if you're not in Nigeria, you can use any payment method. This payment method I'm showing because I have already filtered this out to be in Naira. You come over to this place, so I already filtered this out to be in Naira. So that is why all the payment options that it's showing me is in Naira. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can actually filter it out to be in your currency. All right, so in my case, I am in Nigeria and I'm going to be using this. So if you want to sell your money back, you just want to go ahead and click on, filter this out so that you will not be stressed while you're trying to trade. Let's say OP, PAMPay, whichever method that works for you, just click on it. Sorry, yeah, just click on that, click on this, and put the amount, let's say from 5,000 naira. So you're going to put this amount right here, the amount you want to trade, let's say 20k, and that's it. Yeah, 20,000, you can confirm. So it's going to bring out options. You just select whichever trader that you want to trade with, whichever one that you want to trade with. go ahead and select them and go ahead and sell them too. All right, in my case I'll not be selling because I don't want to sell them. Okay, so that's just it, guys. That the process is so seamless. So you guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And please guys, subscribe. Let's get us to 1K subscribers, please. I beg you in the name of God, subscribe. All right, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you actually think about it, if it is a good deal, and if it is not, if it's gonna work for you, and if it's not gonna work for you, let me know, please. You guys, let me know. All right, till I come your way again in my next video. Bye guys.